Hey guys, it's me, Zachary, hrdlicka. So today I'm gonna be showing you my bird cage. It's outside my window, but I'll show you my bird pen. So here it is. Here's the top of it. Yeah, it's kind of dirty, but here are my birds. Can get him. I'm trying to get him. Here's Tempe and my duck baby and Charlotte. That's my duck and my 2 hens. I really wish I can literally get like a close up, like on them. Like, let me try to zoom in. Like that's their food dish right there, and that's my duck and my 2 hens. The one that's walking right now, right there, that's Charlotte. The black one's Tempe. My duck's name is Baby. Oh my god, you got a feather on your nose. Why do you have a feather on your nose all the time? Why do you have a feather? Help you, get it out. Check it out, someone. Dude, she literally like has a feather stuck in her nose. And she literally...
comes after 17.
Come on, get the feather out of your nose.
Good job, sir. That's our answer, 18. So, you get a 100.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please subscribe and leave a positive comment below. And, subscribe. And, bye, guys. You guys want to say bye? No? Okay. Bye, guys.